Welcome. I'm Chuck Cashman, Chief Revenue Officer with MarineMax, and I'm very pleased and proud to be here today with Michael Busaka, who's the Chief Operating Officer of Fraser Yachts. Fraser's one of the industry leaders, I would say the industry leader in super yacht services around the world, headquartered in Monaco. MarineMax acquired Fraser a little bit over a year ago. And quite honestly, as we got to know the company, we knew they did a lot of charter. We knew that they did a lot of boat sales. But a hidden gem in the acquisition was a division of yacht management, which we knew a little bit about. But I tell you, over the, I guess a little over a year and 4 months, we've grown to realize just how powerful a tool yacht management is and what an unbelievable benefit it is to the customer. So welcome, Mike, and I look forward to chatting with you a little bit about yacht management.
Thanks, Chuck, and it's great having you here today and discussing what we have for needs for our clients in the industry. And I think when we were acquired a year ago by MarineMax, I think it was the best fit for both companies with what you guys need from us and what we can achieve for your clients to make things easier for them when they buy boats. So I think that's a great thing.
Yeah, for sure. One of the things that really made it so natural is MarineMax we really do a very good job up to about 100, 120 feet. And some of you that have been around have heard me tell the story before, but really when you get past, 100 to 120 feet, world out there, and it's a world that Fraser lives in every single day. Now, you don't have to have a 20-foot boat, 120-foot boat to get proper yacht management. And that's where we saw this amazing synergy start to develop, where we get customers that are coming in at, 70, 80 feet. And believe it or not, it's their first or second boat. And it certainly doesn't mean it's their last boat. But now you're starting to get into a captain where people at 60 feet, a lot of them run the boat. They're owner operators. They kind of understand what it takes. But as you start getting into a 70, 80, 90-foot boat, it really becomes less of an owner-operator boat and more of I don't want to call it a business because a boat should be pleasure, but it does become a little bit more of a business. There's a big responsibility when you have an investment of that size. And not every owner has the skill set to go through maintaining the yacht properly and double checking the captain. So Mike, maybe give a brief overview, if you would, of what yacht management means. Right.
So let me explain first what Fraser Yachts has and what we have behind us. We have many, many years of experience in yacht management. Currently, we have 92 yachts in our fleet worldwide. And those yachts range from 70 feet to 380 feet or bigger in our fleet currently. So we manage 92 yachts around the world. We have different services for each of them. And granted, because we're a large yacht brokerage company, we can't be viewed as strictly yachts that are in excess of over 200 feet. We also specialize in boats from 70 feet, 80 feet, 100 feet. And our primary purpose is, as Chuck said, is that we make things easier for clients. We offer about 5 or 6 services to make their yachts easier so they can spend more time enjoying the yachts versus worrying about the cost and where their money's going. So we do more services for these yachts, and apparently it works great. And again, we start from 70 feet and up, and some of those services include financial administrations, crew administration, safety management, technical management, and insurance arrangements. And I can go into quick details on those briefly, just to give you an idea of what exactly those entail for an owner who wants to make their yachts more pleasurable to use. The financial administration, which includes payroll. We take care of paying bills. We create budgets annually. We do monthly financials. The crew administration. We do contract employees. We do crew medical. We do proper credentials for the crews. The safety management end of it. We take care of safety inspections, flag states, annual surveys. The technical management part of it. We handle the vendors, the ports. We get quotes for port, dockage, fuel, etc. the insurance arrangements. We take care of the insurance, crew medical, enrollment claims for the vessel. So those are just a few on each one of the services we provide, and we can get into more detail should anybody be interested in explanations deeper into the services we offer.
Yeah, that's awesome, Mike. And it's not that every client will need 100% of those services. Some clients charter, some clients don't charter. So right there is a big fork in the road when you start talking about safety and crew and some of the certifications. You know, this is where I've seen some of our clients through the years that have grown within our ranks. They get to that leap where now they're going to have a dedicated crew, and maybe they're going to have 2 or 3 or 4 people. And, you know, sometimes you need that extra crew member. We actually have crew services that when you need that extra crew member because you're going to go to the Bahamas for a couple months, or you're going to go for Bahamas for a couple weeks with family, and you want that extra level of attention, maybe you need a chef. All of this is available through Fraser, which is it's just a great service to have. And it's one of the things that as we grew together, we realized that there's a huge opportunity to offer these services to our MarineMax clients, not only to the Fraser clients, but to the MarineMax clients. And what we're going to do for the Fort Lauderdale Boat Show is every boat 70 and up that we sell, and, you know, thankfully, you know, knock on wood, we'll sell some boats, but 70 and up that we sell at the show, we're going to give complimentary 6 months of Fraser's yacht management. And it really just gives an opportunity for a client that's buying a new boat, right? You've got MarineMax to stand behind you. You always have, you always will. We're going to stand behind you, but we're a dealer. And let's pick a brand. It's a 27-meter azimuth. So you have a manufacturer, world-class manufacturer, one of the best manufacturers on the planet, and they're going to stand behind the boat. But every now and then you get in these situations where, you know, the manufacturer says that's good, and the dealer says maybe that's not good. You've got a really unbiased, independent, even though it's part of our family, they really stand on their own reputation. And Fraser and the yacht management team would never jeopardize the relationship that they built worldwide and the reputation that they built worldwide just because MarineMax gave them the job. So you've got now a professional, unbiased opinion to help facilitate some of those, well, that's maintenance or that's lack of maintenance, you know, just some of the nuances. And boat owners, I know you know what I'm talking about. It's not always quite as clean and easy as we would like, right? I wish we could provide just absolutely flawless service. Nothing ever breaks. But in the reality of boating, you're going to get these little things. And just having another set of eyes that's available to help you navigate the process. Quite honestly, we use Fraser as we build boats. When we build Benetti's for stock, we use their project management division to build the boat to make sure that it's built to our specs. We built thousands and thousands of boats through the years, but as you start to get to this pedigree, and even for us who have built so many boats, we use them as a third party to help us make sure that the boat's built to proper standards. And that's smart business, right? You probably, you use attorneys when it's time for law, you use doctors when it's time for medicine. When it comes to yachts, having a proper yacht manager, quite honestly, can enhance the experience. And we're going to give you 6 months of that just to see if it's something that can help. And if you like the service, you can continue it on. And if you found that, hey, the service really wasn't for me, then thank you. And we hope you enjoy the yacht. We still have MarineMax and whatever company you buy from to stand behind it. So, Mike, you've got maybe just give an idea of how many people are in your yacht management division here, not even counting what's overseas in Monaco, but just here in South Florida.
Our yacht management consists of approximately 15 here. And we have a team that does everything from technical to payroll to everything. And I want to stress what you just said, Chuck. This service we offer is to make the boat, the owner, more comfortable. It takes a lot of the burden off the captains. And what I mean by that is, it's also once you get into a boat that's over 80 feet, now you start to run into different classifications. There's different programs of crewing, stuff like that, which not all captains are familiar with. So we have all that knowledge. And like I said, we have 92 yachts in our fleet. And most of these clients that stay with us realize that it's really good service to offer. It's accountability. We monitor the financials down to the penny every month. We get discounts on many vendors, dockage, which a lot of captains and crew cannot. So we have all that access to us for the clients and their yachts and their crew. So it's a big benefit to have yacht management for many people. And like you said, they should try it. And most who try it love it and have been with us forever.
Well, I could see that. I'm working my way up to that level someday. I hope to have a big boat managed by Fraser. It's awesome. It's guidance where a lot of people need guidance. And look, the people that buy our boats, especially in that category, they're experts in their field. They've got to where they are by being experts. And generally, as you meet these people, they surround themselves with experts. So that you don't have to learn how to manage a yacht. You just find the right yacht manager, and having that accountability, and a little bit of it's a little bit of an audit too, right? There's some of the horror stories out there are real, and this keeps pricing in check. It keeps service in check, just making sure that everything gets done, and it really, the end user, the owner, reaps all the benefit. So. With that, I'll say, if you want to learn a little bit more about it, certainly you can reach out to Mike or myself. Go to FraserYachts.com, go to MarineMax.com, and or talk to your MarineMax salesperson. They'll be more than happy to take you through it. But I appreciate you taking the time to learn just a little bit about it. Hopefully, we either see you at the Fort Lauderdale Boat Show, at our online sales experience, in our showroom. We're available for private appointments. We're available online. And of course, we're available at the show. We're going to do everything we can to make sure that you stay safe, healthy as you can. We want you on the water. There is, I would tell you, there's no better place to be in this crazy world that we live today than safely, socially distant, out on your beautiful boat, enjoying the air, the breeze, the sea, the ocean, the lake, wherever you happen to boat. It's been an amazing boost for our business, and it makes me happy to see families reconnecting again, and all of the distractions we used to chase all over the place kind of been taken away from us. And it gets back to the core essence of, hey, you're with your family, you're boating, and it's wonderful. So with that, on behalf of Mike and myself, I'd just like to say thanks for taking the time. Look forward to seeing you very soon. Take care.
Thank you too from Fraser.